Top 5 Best Contractor Table Saw. Number 5. ShopFox W1837 Hybrid Table Saw. ShopFox W1837 offers the portability of a contractor saw with the performance and dust control of a cabinet saw. Equipped with a 2-horsepower motor that runs on both 120-volt and 240-volt circuits, this hybrid saw offers flexibility for a variety of setups. Its precision ground cast iron table provides a stable and durable work surface, and the rip capacity of 30 inches to the right and 15 inches to the left gives ample space for various cutting tasks. One standout feature of the W1837 is the built-in mobile base, which allows for easy transport around the job site. This is complemented by a quick-change blade guard, anti-kickback pawls, and a riving knife system, ensuring safety during operation. Additionally, the 4-inch dust port at the bottom of the cabinet allows for efficient dust collection, making your workspace cleaner and safer. The W1837's enclosed cabinet bottom minimizes the spread of sawdust, while its adjustable blade tilt allows for accurate bevel and chamfer cuts. Whether for job site use or a home workshop, the ShopFox W1837 provides a robust and reliable table saw with plenty of user-friendly features. Coming in number 4. Powermatic PM1000 Table Saw. Powermatic's PM1000 is a cabinet saw that impresses with both its design and performance. It features ergonomic 7-inch handwheels that make blade adjustments for height and bevel easy. The exclusive AccuFence system ensures both rigidity and precision during operation. Its precision ground cast iron work surface, with beveled edges, adds a professional touch to your work, while its Poly V-belt drive system minimizes vibration for smoother and more efficient cuts. What sets the PM1000 apart is its easy-to-use, tool-less guard assembly with independent side leaves, which maximizes safety without compromising convenience. The robust build quality and low-profile riving knife make it ideal for woodworking professionals. Users of the PM1000 frequently note its solid build and superior cutting experience. Assembly is relatively straightforward, and once set up, the machine delivers smooth, powerful cuts, making it perfect for professionals or hobbyists ready to take their craft to the next level. Coming in number 3. Jet JPS-10 ProShop Table Saw. Jet's JPS-10 ProShop 2 offers features typically found in high-end cabinet saws while maintaining the compact footprint of a contractor-style machine. It has a quick-release riving knife, which makes riving knife changes fast and easy, reducing the risk of kickback. The saw's dust collection system has also been improved, with a better dust shroud around the blade, ensuring cleaner cuts with minimal dust buildup. Its motor reset switch is now conveniently located on the power switch, making it easier to access and reset when needed. An innovative single-belt drive system helps reduce vibration, ensuring smoother operation and better performance. Setting up the JPS-10 can be challenging due to its weight and parts not being labeled clearly. However, once assembled, the machine offers a high-quality cutting experience. With independent leaves on the transparent blade guard and onboard storage for accessories, this saw provides excellent safety and convenience. Coming in number 2. SawStop CNS175TG P236 10-inch Contractor Saw. SawStop CNS175TG P236 stands out primarily because of its industry-leading safety features. Its patented system can detect when the blade comes into contact with skin, stopping it in less than 5 milliseconds to avoid severe injury. The blade instantly drops below the table, turning what could be a life-threatening accident into little more than a scratch. But safety isn't the only focus. The SawStop Contractor Saw is known for its precision, stability, and overall quality. Its cast iron tabletop provides smooth, accurate cuts, while the 36-inch T-glide fence is made from heavy-gauge steel to ensure years of reliable use without deflection. The machine's reliability is underpinned by its control box, which monitors the saw's safety system and overall performance. For contractors who need a versatile and configurable saw, the SawStop delivers with over 150 unique options to customize your setup, including mobile bases and sliding crosscut tables. This saw excels in both performance and safety, making it an ideal choice for woodworkers who prioritize both. Coming in number 1. Dewalt DW7491 RS 10-inch Table Saw. The Dewalt DW7491 RS 10-inch job site table saw is a standout for contractors and serious woodworkers. Its 32.5-inch rip capacity allows for cutting larger materials like shelving and trim effortlessly, and the rack and pinion fence system ensures quick and accurate fence adjustments. Powered by a robust 15-amp motor, it cuts through hardwood with ease, offering a depth of cut of 3 1/8 of an inch at 90 degrees and 2 1/4 of an inch at 45 degrees. Its innovative flip-over ripping fence is ideal for narrow rip cuts, and the unit's telescoping fence rails extend for versatile work but retract for portability. The sturdy rolling stand ensures stability and ease of transport, with heavy-duty wheels designed to handle job site terrain. The Dewalt table saw is incredibly versatile, serving a range of professionals such as cabinet installers, hardwood floor installers, deck builders, and trim carpenters. With its powerful motor and precision control, it's suitable for a wide variety of projects. The 2-inch dust collection port, which connects seamlessly to a vacuum, ensures a clean working environment. Onboard storage further enhances ease of use by keeping necessary components like the push stick and Sight Pro Guard accessible but out of the way when not in use. For those seeking reliability, portability, and power, the DWE7491 RS is hard to beat.